Canine lie detectors. How dogs know who to trust. Ever wonder if your dog can tell when someone's not being genuine? Turns out, that furry friend might be a better judge of character than you think. Scientific research is revealing the fascinating ability of dogs to detect trustworthiness in humans. Scientists are diving deep into the canine mind, studying how dogs react to different kinds of human interactions. These studies provide compelling evidence that dogs aren't just responding to treats, they're actively evaluating our behavior. One particularly insightful study, published in Animal Cognition, used helper versus hinderer scenarios. Imagine a scene where one person is trying to open a jar and another person either helps them or actively prevents them from succeeding. In the helper scenario, one person would assist another in completing a simple task. This could involve handing them a needed object or offering support. Conversely, the hinderer scenario involved one person actively obstructing another's efforts. This might involve snatching away an object or preventing them from reaching their goal. After witnessing these scenarios, the dogs were presented with both the helper and the hinderer. The researchers then carefully observed which person the dogs chose to approach and interact with. The results were striking. Dogs consistently showed a clear preference for the helper. They were far more likely to approach, interact with, and accept food from the person who had demonstrated helpful behavior. This suggests that dogs aren't just passive observers. They're actively processing social information and forming judgments based on what they see. They can understand the difference between helpful and unhelpful behavior. This ability to distinguish between positive and negative social interactions indicates a sophisticated level of social intelligence. Dogs prefer individuals who exhibit positive social traits. So, how do dogs pull off this impressive feat of social perception? It's not magic. It's a complex interplay of observation and interpretation. Dogs use a combination of factors to assess human behavior. They are masters of reading body language, picking up on subtle cues that often go unnoticed by humans. A slight shift in posture or a fleeting facial expression can speak volumes to a dog. Vocal cues also play a significant role. Dogs are highly attuned to the tone and inflection of our voices, detecting nuances that can reveal our true feelings. The overall context of the interaction is also crucial. Dogs consider the entire situation, taking into account the relationships between the individuals involved and the goals they are trying to achieve. Dogs are incredibly attuned to even the slightest changes in human behavior. They notice subtle shifts in facial expressions, like a tightening of the lips or a furrowing of the brow. They also pay close attention to the tone of voice, detecting subtle changes in pitch and volume that can indicate stress, anger, or deception. The direction of gaze is another important cue. Perhaps most impressively, dogs seem to be able to detect inconsistencies between verbal and nonverbal cues. If someone says one thing, but their body language suggests something else, a dog is likely to pick up on the discrepancy. These inconsistencies may signal deception or untrustworthiness, prompting the dog to be more cautious or avoid the individual altogether. This ability is crucial for navigating complex social situations. It's important to note that a dog's ability to detect untrustworthiness isn't necessarily about identifying malicious intent in the same way that humans do. It's more about assessing social reliability. For dogs, it's a fundamental assessment of whether an individual is likely to be a reliable and trustworthy member of their social group. Dogs are, by nature, social animals. Their survival and well-being depend on their ability to navigate complex social dynamics and form strong bonds with others. Recognizing trustworthiness is crucial for their safety and well-being. This ability allows them to identify individuals who are likely to be cooperative, supportive, and non-threatening. It's a vital skill for any social animal. This research has profound implications for our understanding of canine cognition and the deep bond between humans and dogs. It highlights the sophisticated cognitive abilities of dogs. It underscores the deep and complex bond between humans and canines, revealing the extent to which dogs are attuned to our social world. This understanding offers insights into better understanding and interacting with dogs. By recognizing their ability to perceive and interpret our behavior, we can foster stronger relationships built on mutual trust and respect. It reinforces the idea that dogs are perceptive observers of the human world. They are not simply passive companions. They are active participants in our social lives, capable of forming their own opinions about the people around them. This perspective encourages us to treat them with the respect and consideration they deserve. So the next time your dog seems wary of someone, pay attention. They might be picking up on something you're missing. The science is clear. Dogs possess a remarkable ability to detect trustworthiness in humans. This isn't just about being a good boy or good girl. It's about survival, social intelligence, and a deep understanding of human behavior. Want to learn more about your dog's amazing abilities? Subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the canine mind. Share this video with your fellow dog lovers, and let's spread the word about the incredible social intelligence of our furry friends. And don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your own experiences with your dog's uncanny ability to read people.